Had too much to drink again, eh, Nancy? I've been there myself. Throwing back one too many pints with the lads again. Come on, get up. I've got a great deal for you.
I can't walk.
Sure you can, Nancy. Use those legs of yours. Get up. Get up. Come on. Here. Let me help you out here. Come on. Get up. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, God. I think I'm sick.
You got something in your... You got something in your hair there, Nancy. Ugh. Ah, save that for another day. But have I got a deal for you, Nancy?
Who the hell is this Nancy?
Let me introduce you to the Bender Blender.
The what?
That's right, Nancy, the Bender Blender.
Okay,
It's the answer to all your hangover needs, all in one handy appliance.
wait a minute. It's just a regular blender.
No, not at all, Nancy. Its space-age design and ergonomic blades and chopping mechanism were designed by teams at NASA, plus its high-impact resistant tempered glass.
I have a blender. I mean, I could just go...
We'll have none of that, Nancy. If one more outburst like that, and I may have to pop a cap in your ass.
Alright. So, how much does one of these Bender blenders go for?
I'm glad you asked, Nancy. One of these Bender blenders would... How much would you expect to pay for one of these fabulous devices?
Not a penny more than, say, $60.
You got it, Nancy. But I'm not going to let you pay $60. I'm not even going to let you pay $50, $40, $30, or even $25, like you might be thinking. I'm going to give you this wonderful appliance for the low, low price of 6 easy payments of $19.95.
Wait a minute. That's more than $60.
But wait, that's not all. With the Blender, we get the Hangover Handbook with thousands of recipes to cure all your hangovers. You look like bollocks, Nancy.
Your mama.
Let's see if we can mix something up for you to cure your hangover. Hair of the dog. That sounds like a good one. Let's mix that one up, shall we?
Sure, whatever.
Okay. Start off with some soy sauce. Then some ketchup. Then some mustard.
You think of this recipe yourself?
These recipes have been in existence for thousands of years, Nancy. Way back to the ancient Saxons and Romans and all that good stuff. Some vinegar. Some hot sauce. And some lemon juice. And some milk here.
Oh, I think that's turned, man. Don't use that.
That's all the better, Nancy. Gotta get it off. Those bacteria cultures just kick that hangover in the ass.
You can't be serious. This is a joke.
Oh, but I am serious, Nancy. The secret of the Bender blender is that measurements are not important. The high-speed chopping mechanism rearranges the ingredients on the molecular level, thus changing their effect on the body.
Okay.
So, where was I? Put in copious amounts of alcohol from the previous night's soiree. Looks like we got a little bugger floating around in there, but that's alright. All part of the Bender blender secret. And let's see, where was I? 1 egg. And some oil. Just a tad of oil.
I hope so. Oh, God.
Some salt.
Oh.
Can't get enough salt in the body, eh, Nancy?
Ugh.
And the secret ingredient that pulls it all together aspirin and lots of it.
Wait a minute, bud. That's Tylenol.
Oh, it doesn't matter, Nancy. Same sort of thing. Now, this is where the magic happens, Nancy. Here you go. Taste the sweet nectar that is the Bender Blender.
I'm not drinking that.
Come on, Nancy.
There's no way in
Come
hell.
on, Nancy. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Drink up now, Nancy.
Oh, God. Oh. Okay, I drank it.
You have to drink the whole thing to get the full effect of the Bender Blender.
There's no way in hell I'm drinking all of that.
Drink the whole thing, Nancy.
Well, since you put it that way. Okay.
Come on, bottoms up. There's a good lad.
Oh, God. Oh.
Just feel the miraculous effects of the Bender Blender attacking those hangover neutrons in the brain.
Oh.
Just a few more drops. There, now how do you feel, Nancy?
I feel awful. That stuff tastes like shit.
Oh,
It tastes
God.
like what, Nancy?
Sorry. It tastes great. My hangover is gone. In fact,
Where can I buy? How much? Let me buy one of these things.
All you need to give me now, Nancy, is lots and lots of cash. Just fork it over and this wonderful appliance can be yours.
okay, 1 second.
Okay. This is all.
Oh, that looks like enough, I'm sure. Now you can have weekend upon weekend of drinking and drinking with no fear of hangovers whatsoever, all thanks to the Bender Blender.
Wait a minute, man. I can't feel my legs.
Don't thank me, Nancy. Thank the Bender Blender.
I can't feel my legs. Help! Someone! Anyone! I've fallen and I can't get up.